If you're feeling stressed as you move throughout your day and you need to find a place within yourself that feels more grounded, then I invite you to try this very simple mantra meditation. And it's by using a mantra, which is 2 words: so, hum. So, hum. Now the best way to practice this is to find a comfortable position, to sit with your back straight, your feet planted on the ground shoulder width apart, and then to close your eyes and to use the breath to guide you in the mantra. So on the inhale you breathe in so, and on the exhale you breathe out hum. So, hum. So, hum. Now you repeat the words in your mind. If you're in a place where you would like to repeat the words out aloud, then please do. But the important thing is to do, say, 4 to 6 cycles of the breath, repeating so hum, and notice the impact that it has on your well-being and your state of mind. Have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.